Welcome to our comprehensive review of BitFury, a key player in the world of cryptocurrency mining and blockchain solutions. BitFury has established itself as a reliable and efficient platform, offering a range of services tailored to both beginners and seasoned crypto enthusiasts. Its commitment to innovation and sustainability makes it a go-to choice for optimizing mining operations and driving blockchain adoption. In this video, we'll delve into what makes BitFury stand out in the competitive landscape of cryptocurrency mining. From its powerful hardware solutions to advanced software that optimizes mining efficiency, BitFury is designed to meet the growing demands of the blockchain ecosystem. With an emphasis on eco-friendly practices, it also strives to reduce the carbon footprint associated with crypto mining, which is a significant advantage for environmentally conscious miners. BitFury's infrastructure supports decentralized applications, making it a versatile option for developers seeking scalable and secure solutions. Their services extend beyond mining, including blockchain development tools that empower users to build and enhance decentralized technologies. This positions BitFury as not only a mining hub, but also a catalyst for blockchain innovation. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. BitFury's platform is intuitive and user-friendly, ensuring that even those new to the crypto space can easily navigate its features. The streamlined setup process and comprehensive support make onboarding smooth, while the robust analytics tools provide insights into mining performance and optimization strategies. The platform is also known for its transparency, ensuring users have full visibility into operations and outcomes. With a reputation for reliability and security, BitFury continues to garner trust within the crypto community, offering a valuable resource for anyone looking to participate in blockchain mining and innovation. If you're looking to maximize your crypto potential or explore blockchain technology further, BitFury offers the tools and support needed to succeed. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like.